Oh, that's a very, very special memory that I have. I was at the Vaganova Academy in Leningrad, St. Petersburg now. And it was my last year of study. And I was chosen to do the role as a student with the principal dancer of the Kirov Ballet in 1916 spring. Right before I graduated. Yeah. When I have somebody start a role like this, well, I start just to discover the person. First of all, of course, I have to know how he's dancing in different roles or in corps de ballet, or observing the qualities, like constructing a piece of art. That's the way I'm believing in coaching. Technique, it's down here, but then in upper body it's very modern kind of movement. You know, you need to use your torso like I believe this way. Swan neck, you know, starting from here, and then finish with the arms. So finish with the fingertips. So the expression of the upper body, it's extremely contemporary, I would say. Our body is a life instrument. If the tool is really well constructed and well placed, then you can interpret everything and you can do anything.